In this video, I will show you how to clear all the cache and junk files from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. This will help you improve your system performance and free up valuable storage space. Let's get started. First, we will clear the default Windows cache. Right-click on the Windows icon and click on Settings. From the left side, click on System. Now scroll down and click on Storage. Windows will now calculate how much space is being used by different categories like apps, videos, and temporary files. Wait for this process to complete. Once it's done, click on Temporary Files. Now you will see a list of items such as temporary files, downloaded files, recycle bin, and other items. If you have important files in your Downloads folder, make sure to uncheck it. Now check other categories like Recycle Bin and any other items that look like junk or cached data. At the bottom, you will see how much space will be cleared. Click on Remove Files, then click Continue. Once it finishes, it will say the temporary files cleanup is complete. Now go back to the storage page. Click on Apps or Installed Applications. Look through the list and find apps you don't use. If you see an app you no longer need, click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Repeat this for any apps you want to remove. Now we will clear the location cache. In Settings, click on Privacy and Security on the left side. Scroll down and click on Location. Scroll down again and find Location History. It says your location data is stored for a limited time. Click the Clear button on the right side. That's it. Location history is now cleared. Next, let's clear the Microsoft Store cache. Click on the search bar and type WSRESET. You will see an option that says WSRESET, Run Command. Click on it. A black window will open for a few seconds. Then, the Microsoft Store will open. This means the cache for the Microsoft Store has been cleared. Now close it. Now we will clear the browser cache. Open your browser. I am using Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Click on Settings. From the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. In the new window, click on Advanced. For time range, choose All Time. You will see several options like Browsing History, Download History, Cookies, and Cached Images. If you want to keep your saved passwords and form data, leave those unchecked. Check all the other boxes. Click on Clear Data. This may take some time depending on how much data is stored. Next, we will manually delete temporary files. Right-click on the Windows icon and click Run. Type %temp% and click OK. A folder will open with many temporary files. Press Ctrl+A to select all files. Now press Shift+Delete on your keyboard. Click Yes, check any boxes if asked, then click Continue. If some files can't be deleted, click Skip. Now close the folder. Again, right-click the Windows icon and click Run. This time type Temp and click OK. Another folder will open. Press Ctrl+A to select all files. Then press Shift+Delete again. Click Yes, check boxes if asked, and click Continue. Click Skip if some files cannot be deleted. Now we will clear the DNS cache. Click on the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, type this command, ipconfig/flushdns. Then press Enter. You will see a message that says, Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. That's it. We have now cleared all the cache and junk files from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. To complete the process, I recommend restarting your computer. After restarting, you should notice better performance and more free space. Thanks for watching.